Hello students, welcome to Saurabh's classes. Today we'll be solving the Isi Msqe question paper of year 2018. Today we'll be solving question number 7. Let's start with question number 7. In question number 7 it has been said that let f be a function which goes from R to R and the function f is convex and differentiable function with f0 equal to 1. Now if the derivative of f at 2 is 2, that is f dash 2 is equal to 2, then the maximum value of f of 2 is, the options are 3, 5, 10 and infinity. Now we have been given f of 0 is equal to 1 and f dash 2 is equal to 2. So these are the options that have been given. Now we need to find out the maximum value of f2. Now let us take a function gx which will be defined as twice x plus 1. Now we can see that g of 0 will be equal to 1 and also g dash x is equal to 2. That implies that g dash 2 is also equal to 2. So basically this satisfies the conditions as given over here. Now we know also it is given that f is convex. So therefore f is less than equal to g for all x which is greater than equal to 0. So definitely we can now write that f of 2 will be less than equal to g of 2. Now g of 2 is 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, that is equal to 5. So we can see that f of 2 is always less than equal to 5. Therefore the maximum value of f of 2 is equal to 5, which is the option B. So today we have solved question number 7 from the Isi Msqe question paper of year 2018. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Saurabh's classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.